Hello everyone, today I want to show you what an afternoon in my workshop looks like. Everything starts with a drive to my workshop, of course, which sadly isn't that close as I would like to, but it's the only space I can afford and I can actually be loud in. It had actually been a while since I was last in my workshop because we were moving, so I start with cleaning up and organizing a little bit because there's still a lot of shit flying around. I didn't film too much of that, because it's not the most exciting work, but it took a while to get everything back in order. When that was done, I wired another lamp to my collection. It's really crazy how much light you need to have enough for filming, at least when you don't know what you're doing. And I'm constantly trying to improve the quality of my videos, which seems like a never-ending task. After that was done, I can finally get back to building something. I'm in the middle of building a baby crib for my sister-in-law and her not so newborn anymore baby. This is one of the projects where I do 2 steps forward and then 1 step backward, which also makes it really difficult to get starting with it, but I try to do 1 step at a time and then eventually I will get it done. But currently I'm trying to do less and leaving the workshop somewhat happy, instead of trying to get everything done and get out hateful. At least that's what my therapist advised me. A little bit to what I'm doing right now. I need to remove some material from the roof that is going on top of the sides. And the day already has been quite long, and I just couldn't find the right method to do that. The miter saw wasn't helping, routing it away wasn't an option either, even though I tried it. So I ended up taking out the chisel and removing it by hand. The next step would be to attach the roof to the sides, but I couldn't figure out a way how to get that done quickly. So I decided to leave the workshop for today, you know, leaving happy. I hope you are leaving happy as well, and you liked the short insight in my afternoon. I don't know if there will be more of these kind of videos, but I would appreciate your opinion. Thank you for watching.